Uy, si Idol, pre!
Iinumin ko kung ang inumin niya.
Oh.
Onda! Tubig lang, tol.
Di ka na uminom?
Good boy na to, It's. Tinigilin ko na yan, nasobrahan, nakasama sa atay. Kailangan ko ng proteksyon ng Libertad Silimarin Capsule. Pinalalakas nito ang atay laban sa sakit na dulot ng sobrang pag-inom ng alak.
Yan si Idol. Clean living na. Lover boy pa.
It's Liver Lover. Boy.
This program is brought to you by
Langsa Plus. And Libertad Silimarin Capsule.
So, we're back to our show. We will continue cooking chocolate pixies. After we have cooled down the mixture from the refrigerator, it will look like this. See? Yeah.
It's magic.
To make sure that the chocolate is stiff enough to make the chocolate balls, here's what you do. You get the saucepan with the chocolate and you place it over your partner's head. If it does not fall, then it's ready. So, before we make the chocolate balls, first I will preheat the oven.
Now, before we make a chocolate balls, get first a container. Put the confectioner sugar or powdered sugar. Make sure that the container is dry. To make chocolate balls, we need to have 2 teaspoons. Higan, can you give me 2 teaspoons? Yeah, thanks.
So we will need also the baking sheet. This is where you will put the chocolate balls if it is already what you call this coated with the powdered sugar. So as of now, Chef Alfred is showing you how to make chocolate balls and coating it with powdered sugar. And you just place it there. Yeah, be generous with coating the chocolate balls with sugar so that it will look white, not brown.
Okay, we finished coated the pixies with confectioner sugar. Now it's time to put in the oven and cook in the loaf on the
We will
loaf.
bake it for in 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 13 to 18 minutes.
You know, powdered sugar, or also known as confectioner sugar or icing sugar, is granulated sugar that has been grounded into a very fine powder.
Powdered sugar is generally mixed with wheat flour, cornstarch, and calcium phosphate to improve its flowing ability. So it is not suggested for use in beverages. It is only used for baking and like chocolate crinkles, munchkins, and donuts. Okay, good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm back. So, well, a while ago we were cooking chocolate pixies. But just to remind you, this program is brought to you by Langsa Plus and Libertad Silimarin Capsule. So, after we're cooking chocolate pixies, we will take it out of the oven. Please don't do this at home. It's hot and it's really dangerous, but I just have wet hands, so it's safe for me. So this is what you call chocolate crinkles. It has chocolate crinkles with peanuts, so that's why we call it chocolate pixies. Have a taste? Good.
Go!
Di ka na uminom?
Good boy na to, It's. Tinigalan mo na yan. Iyo tayo.
Di ka na uminom?
Good boy na to, It's. Tinigilan mo na yan. Nasobrahan. Nakasama sa atay. Kailangan ko ng proteksyon ng Libertad Silimarin Capsule. Pinalalakas nito ang atay laban sa sakit na dulot ng sobrang pag-iinom ng alak. Good